toys, come on, let's play. We'll learn numbers in a fun new way. Meenu and Raju shout hooray, counting together every day.
One red car goes vroom vroom far, zooms like lightning, Capyara car.
Whoa, two teddy bears, soft and sweet, hugging each other when they meet. Three. Whoa.
Three toy trains go chook chook chook, racing fast around the nook.
Three. Whoa.
4 blocks up, stack so high, build a tower to the sky. 4 bar.
Whoa.
5 little ducks go quack quack loud, swimming and waddling, feeling proud. 5.
Whoa.
6 balls rolling round and bright, red and yellow, such a sight. 6.
Whoa.
7 robots marching slow, beep beep boop, off they go. 7.
No.
8 toy animals roar and run, jungle friends having fun. 8.
Whoa. 9 toy fruits, juicy and sweet, let's count them all before we eat. 9. 10 bright stars that twinkle and spin, shining like magic from within.
10.
Now we know from 1 to 10, let's play and count.